Oh my god.
Get the fuck out.
Yo, scroll down. FC on the aftermath.
Fuck out.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
It's just a random run.
Oh my god.
Aftermath FC.
Get the fuck
8
out.
months of practice. Finally.
Oh my god.
God. Really? This was a low score anyway. Like, without the aftermath, we wouldn't have 5-starred it.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. The aftermath, dude. The aftermath, and I have seen it.
Alright, that's it for this. I mean, hopefully we'll be able to get an aftermath of Save Run on video, but until then.